Everybody, giving you a little follow-up here on this iMac. Finally took it apart. The iMac, the bad RAM. So took that screen off of there. It was a pain in the neck. The aftermarket tape is harder to take off than the original tape. So got some strategies for that. So what I did is I took one of the RAM out. Problem is you got two RAM. You don't know if which one is bad, so you got to really test them both. And thinking through this, I do remember that I actually had another desktop. It wasn't a Mac that was giving me a RAM error, and we wind up testing the RAMs outside. They all passed, and it wind up being a CPU problem. So I really hope that's not this case. So got mem test running over here with one stick of RAM in there. Started not too long ago, 12 minutes. I don't recall how fast the other one gave me an error. So we got that running 12 minutes. So here, you see the screen over there. Take the screen off. You got to go external video, and then this motherboard is loose. So it's a real challenge. This testing is a killer. This is a killer. So gonna take a lot of time. The motherboard is loose. You gotta. I took one of the RAMs out. You gotta go external video because you don't want to reassemble everything and test it and then disassemble it again. So you could don't have to have the hard drive present, nothing like that. I took the hard drive out. The board is loose. You could just kind of pop it up. I'm not going to mess with it now, but it does pop up enough where you could slip in the RAM back there, right? And then just running mem test back there. So that's running. And then I got a little mini desktop that I had over here that also runs DDR4. And one slot I put in there. And then that one's running mem test as well. This one started a little more recent. 6 minutes. So hopefully, one of these two RAM will fail, and then we have a bad RAM, and we replace it, and that's going to be it. That's the plan. If they both can't pass, because this one, regardless, even if it's a bad CPU, if it's a CPU problem, this one's going to fail anyways. So we'll find out what happens. And we'll keep you up to date on the iMac with the random freezing, slow starting, and failed on the initial mem test. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.